Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Immediate hypersensitivity, and we're looking at its disorders. So the first clinical syndrome we are looking at is the anaphylaxis. So in the anaphylaxis, it may be caused by drugs, bee sting, or food. So drugs, bee sting, or it can also be due to the food. So the clinical and pathological manifestations will include the fall in BP. So there is a decrease in BP, that is shock, and it caused by the vascular dilation. So it is by the vascular dilation. And there is also the airway obstruction due to the laryngeal edema. So airway is. To watch the full video, please click on the link below and it will redirect you to the main video.